Elsewhere, Law Society of Kenya President Faith Odhiambo says she has reconsidered her reservations on her appointment as the panel of experts on the compensation of victims of demonstrations to ensure over 100 families who lost their loved ones during the protest get justice. Speaking after the panel swearing in, Odhiambo maintained that the process should go beyond compensation to address justice, and that will ensure the perpetrators of the heinous act are prosecuted.
According to the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights, 115 people were killed across the country in protest in the last 1 year, while over 1,000 others were injured. The affected families now have set their sights on the newly sworn-in 18-member panel of experts on the compensation of victims of demonstrations and public protests.
Mutua, Professor.
I, Faith Odhiambo Moni.
LSK President Faith Odhiambo, who will deputize the committee chair, Professor Mutua, stated that she made the unpopular decision to join the committee to ensure the families affected get justice.
I have today chosen a bold but unpopular step. Some of my colleagues in the legal profession and also in the public have reached out to me voicing their fears and reservations.
That this particular effort is victim-centered, it is impartial, and it is non-partisan.
Odhiambo has assured the families affected will not only be compensated, but also prosecution of the errant officers.
Should my efforts be frustrated or cannot be or undermined in any manner whatsoever, I'm prepared to do the honorable thing in fidelity with the rule of law and the Constitution of Kenya.
The panel assured the public of its independence and non-interference with ongoing investigations or independent institutions.
That this exercise is not a replacement for criminal investigations or the oversight by the bodies that are mandated by our Constitution.
Professor Mutua said cases that warrant prosecution will be presented before the courts for action.
Rebuilding trust and verifying the beneficiaries and securing sustainable funding will be challenging. And that is why this process must be anchored in legislation to guarantee consistency, transparency, and enforceability beyond what prevails in the day.
Currently, the case of the late Rex Masai is ongoing at the Milimani Law Courts. Abdiaziz Hashim for Prime Edition.